Understanding balloon arch, a fun dive into English idioms. Hello, and welcome to our English language exploration journey. Today, we're going to uncover the meaning behind the phrase, balloon arch. If you've ever been to a festive event or seen pictures of grand celebrations, you might have seen one without even knowing its name. Let's inflate our curiosity and get into the details. A balloon arch is quite literal in its meaning. It's an arrangement of balloons in the shape of an arch, often used as decoration for celebrations like weddings, birthday parties, and grand openings. These arches add a pop of color and a festive touch to any event. While the term is straightforward, it's a great example of how English often combines words to make a new concept. In this section, we're going to look at why balloon arches are significant. They are more than just decoration. They symbolize entry, passage, and celebratory gateway. In many cultures, passing through an arch can represent transitioning into a new phase of life, such as a couple getting married or a graduate stepping into the future. Interestingly, the phrase can be used metaphorically. If someone says, "walking through the balloon arch," they might mean entering into a new, joyful phase of life. It's not just about the physical balloons but the emotional atmosphere they create. For those interested in the practical side, we'll go over the basic steps to create a simple balloon arch. You'll need balloons, a frame, and some patience. This part of the video will be fun and interactive, guiding you through the creation process. And there we have it, the balloon arch, demystified. I hope this video adds a bit of color to your day and helps you understand not just the phrase but also the joy it represents. Keep learning and keep celebrating the small and big moments in life. Until next time, happy learning!